What if I told you there's a hidden corner of the internet where you can try GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4, generate images with models like Nano Banana, and even create videos on the level of VO3? Free, unlimited, and 100% legit. Sounds like clickbait, right? It's not. I've spent weeks digging, testing, breaking things, and, yeah, finding the back door. Today, I'm handing you the key. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll also walk you through a step-by-step workflow to combine these tools and crank out viral content you can actually monetize. And hey, before we kick this off, let me give you something extra. I set up a bot that rewards people who really engage. If you finish this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below, it'll automatically send you a private PDF. My personal list of free AI tools no one else gets to see. Alright, let's open the vault. The platform is called LMS Chatbot Arena. You'll also hear people say LMS Chatbot Arena. The reason it's free is genius. It's a research project where the biggest AI labs anonymously pit their models against each other. We test, we vote. Our feedback is the payment. In exchange, we get unlimited access to the most powerful models out there. Once you sign up, you'll see a few modes. Go to Direct Chat. Think of this as your command center, where you pick which AI Titan you want to talk to. I'll start with GPT-5 and warm it up with something practical. Here's my slightly tweaked prompt. Act as a growth hacker. Give me 5 creative business concepts that can be launched in just a couple of days using minimal resources, under $150 total. Each idea should have viral potential. Send. It connects. And there it is, fresh, workable ideas. The kind of stuff people would pay for behind a paywall. We're using it here for free. Back to the arena. Let's switch models. I'll choose Gemini 2.5 Pro and give it a time saver. You're the ultimate time management expert. Here's my messy weekly schedule. Rearrange it so I save at least 5 extra hours. Point out what I should cut, automate, or delegate, then give me a clean version to follow. A few seconds later, boom, a reorganized week with actual breathing room. That's real value without another subscription. Now for the hidden toolbox most people miss. See that web search toggle? Turn it on. The model list changes to ones with live internet access. I'll pick Grok and ask, what 3 AI innovations or news items have dropped in the past 2 weeks that could shape the future? Describe each one's impact and cite where you got the info. It searches, compiles a fresh summary, and cites links. Perfect for research, content planning, or staying ahead without doom scrolling. Turn web search off and click the image icon. The list switches again. Now you're in image territory with heavy hitters like Nano Banana. Let's generate ultra-detailed photorealistic scene. A lone diver drifting through a submerged cavern, discovering a glowing crystal pillar carved with ancient runes. Shafts of light slice through the water, with floating particles shimmering in the beams. A few seconds and you've got a poster-worthy image. But generation is just half the story. Let's edit. I'll upload a modern living room photo and select a strong image editing model. Prompt, take this interior photo as context. Replace the outside view with a snowy winter night. Add soft snowfall, frosted window corners, and keep the cozy indoor lighting warm and glowing. Make sure reflections and perspective stay realistic. It understands the scene and edits like a pro. Next stop, build apps. Yes, you can literally generate working code. I'll ask, create a lightweight daily habit tracker as a single-page web app, include a streak counter, a monthly calendar grid for check-ins, and local storage persistence. Clean, minimal UI using only HTML, CSS, and plain JavaScript, no frameworks. The arena pits 2 models head-to-head. A moment later, I've got 2 fully functional codebases to choose from. Copy, paste, ship. Now the big one, AI video. For that, hop into their Discord and find the video arena channels. Type /video and your prompt. I'll go for cinematic wide shot. A wolf silhouetted against a cyberpunk skyline, rain falling in glowing streaks. The rooftop glistens with neon reflections, and a giant digital moon dominates the sky. It will generate 2 clips from 2 different top-tier models. You vote on the winner. The quality is wild. There's a daily limit on the server. You can pace yourself, or rotate accounts if that's permitted by Discord and the arena rules where you live. We've explored the toolbox. Time for what I promised at the start. A money-making workflow you can run today. We're going to build a viral-style 60-second short from scratch. the kind that's dominating YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now. Step 1. Script research. Use GPT-5 with web search and ask. List 5 dark secrets tied to the myth of Atlantis. Craft a 1-minute short script that feels mysterious, starts with a gripping question, builds suspense, and ends with a powerful reveal. You'll get a tight script with beats ready to visualize. Step 2. Visuals. Pull key moments from the script and create images in Nano Banana. Stormy shoreline at dusk, faint marble towers visible beneath clear, low-tide water, a ticking pocket watch half buried in wet sand, distant thunderheads, bioluminescent flecks in the surf, fog, sea spray, and long exposure streaks, eerie, contemplative mood, cinematic wide shot, volumetric light shafts through clouds, high contrast, fine mist particles, subtle film grain, cross-section cutaway of Atlantis, sunlit marble city above, beneath it, a colossal submerged engine with a glowing amber core, cables and conduits like roots, streams of light descend into the core from ghostly silhouettes, bubbles and particulate in deep water, mythic, awe-tinged dread. Generate each scene. Step 3. Motion. Take those images to the video arena on Discord and convert them into short cinematic clips. Keep the prompts simple, something like, animate these still images into a subtle parallax with floating particles, gentle camera push-in, soft film grain. Repeat for each image. You now have a set of animated microshots. Step 4. Edit. Stitch the clips together in your editor of choice. Add a voiceover reading the GPT-5 script, layer ambience or subtle music, and hit export. In minutes, you've produced a complete short-form idea to publish inside this free ecosystem. That's the point. This isn't just about saving money, it's about collapsing production time so you can test more ideas, post more often, and iterate faster than everyone else. Quick recap so you don't miss any steps. LMS Chatbot Arena gives you free, legal access to top text models via direct chat. Web search mode lets you pull live info for research. Image mode unlocks generation and editing with models like Nano Banana. Build apps generates working code for simple tools. Video Arena on Discord lets you create short AI video clips in a battle format. The workflow. Research with GPT-5, generate images with Nano Banana, animate in Video Arena, edit, and publish a 60-second short. My goal with this video is to save you time, money, and headaches. With this toolbox, you get unlimited access to world-class text models, powerful image generation and editing, a lightweight app builder, and a legit path to high-quality AI video, free. Don't forget the bonus. If you watch the full video, liked, subscribed, and left a positive comment, the bot will send you my private PDF with the best free AI tools I haven't shown on this channel yet. Go build something crazy. I'll see you in the next one.